Welcome. When you hear the words artificial intelligence, your mind probably jumps straight to science fiction movies, right? But what if I told you that AI is already here, and it's actually a huge force for good? In this explainer, we're going to explore how AI can be a seriously helpful tool for society, and maybe most importantly, for our kids.
Okay, let's kick things off with a little question. Think for a second about the tech you use every single day, the stuff you don't even think twice about. What's the invisible thread connecting all these different things?
You got it. The answer is artificial intelligence, or AI. And look, it's not just some techie buzzword. It's already woven deep into our daily lives, working away behind the scenes, just making things run a little smoother, a little safer, and a whole lot easier.
So, yeah, the first big thing to really get is that this isn't some far off, futuristic idea. AI is here, it's now, and it's helping us out in tons of little ways every single day. I mean, just think about it. When you search for something online, AI is what organizes those millions of results for you. When you ask your phone for directions, that's AI talking back. You know those creepily accurate movie recommendations or that perfect song that just pops into your playlist? All powered by AI. It's even protecting you. Your bank uses it to spot weird charges on your card and block fraud before it happens. Okay, so that's the personal stuff. But let's zoom out a bit and look at the bigger picture. This same technology is becoming a super powerful partner for society as a whole, helping us tackle some really big, really complex problems. In areas like medicine or scientific research, experts are dealing with just oceans of data. It's impossible for any one person or even a team of people to see all the patterns. But AI can. It can sift through massive amounts of information to help doctors make more accurate diagnoses or help scientists discover new medicines way faster than we ever could before. AI is also amazing at handling the boring, repetitive stuff. And I don't just mean on an assembly line. This could be digital things like sorting spreadsheets or organizing information. And the real magic here is that it frees up people, us, to focus on the work that only humans can do. Stuff like creativity, strategy, and just connecting with other people. And check this out. This really points to a huge shift in how we think about this. The whole conversation is changing from jobs being replaced to jobs being transformed. One study actually projects that AI will impact around 300 million jobs, not by getting rid of them, but by giving us incredible new tools to do our work better. All right, let's bring this right back home to what really matters most to us as parents, our children's education. Because this is where the potential of AI gets genuinely exciting. This chart really nails the difference. On the one hand, you have traditional homework, which can be pretty static, right? But with AI, it can become this dynamic, personalized experience. Just imagine a tool that can explain a tough math problem in a totally new way, help your kid brainstorm ideas for a story, or even act as a friendly editor, pointing out mistakes so they can learn how to fix them. It's literally like having a personal tutor on call 24/7. And get this isn't just a someday thing. It is happening right now. A recent study found that almost 3 out of 4 teenagers are already using AI tools for their schoolwork, for research, for help with tricky subjects, you name it. Our kids are already jumping on board. So the really crucial thing here is how we frame this for them. This isn't a cheating machine, it's a learning partner. AI can help a child get over that scary blank page feeling, break down a huge, intimidating topic into simple pieces, and then help them polish their own work, which actually reinforces what they've learned. Okay, this all sounds great, but let's get practical. How do we actually bring this conversation home? How can we explain AI and explore what it can do with our kids in a way that's fun and, not scary? Let's look at some super simple ways. First things first, you need a simple definition. You could try something just like this. And what's cool is, this explanation was actually written by an AI when it was asked to explain itself to a child. It makes it sound like a helpful friend that learns things, which is just a perfect, non-intimidating way to put it. Okay, this is where it gets really fun. The key is, don't just talk about AI, play with it. Sit down together with a tool like ChatGPT and just get silly. Try a prompt like this one. Asking for a poem about a banana in the style of Taylor Swift immediately shows them that AI isn't just for serious homework. It's a tool for creativity and, honestly, just for having a laugh. Really, the whole idea is to treat AI like a springboard for your family's imagination. You can use it to create a bedtime story where your kid is the main character. Ask it to explain how black holes work in a way a 7-year-old can actually get. Use it to dream up ideas for what to do on a rainy Saturday. It's all about using the tool together to spark something new.
So when it comes right down to it, AI is a tool, a really, really powerful one. And just like any tool, its real value comes from how we decide to use it. By approaching it with curiosity and by framing it as a helpful, creative partner, we can empower our kids to be smart, responsible, and thoughtful users of this incredible technology. So the only real question is, are you ready to start exploring it with them?